bigger is better, okay? So if you don't already know, my name is London Tay, but my real name is Taylor. If you've been a subscriber, then hey girl, what's up? How are you doing? But anyways, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to give you guys tips on how you can make your fine, low density hair look fuller. If you don't already know me, I have fine hair. I have 3B, 3C, some parts that are 4A in my crown area, but mostly 3B, 3C, fine, low density hair. It's very easy to slick my hair in a ponytail if it's like straight up super soaker wet. But once it starts to dry, it takes a while for my hair to have volume, and it takes a lot of effort and thoughts into how to get my hair bigger and better the way I like it, way a lot of people like it. Thick hair is in, okay? I always love thick, full hair, okay? So tip number one, I can go ahead and say, if you have super thin hair, I suggest you try to use a BIOTIN shampoo and a BIOTIN conditioner combo. I've noticed that BIOTIN shampoos and BIOTIN conditioners, when my hair was a lot thinner and shorter, it made my hair look fuller and it made my hair feel fuller. That is something that I noticed. Now, I used to use the Organics BIOTIN shampoo and conditioner line. Used it a couple years ago, but then I stopped kind of being obsessed with making my hair look full and everything, and I just kind of let it do what it do. And I started damaging it and doing all this stuff to it and dyeing it, and I said, you know, whatever, bump it, you know. I was like, I'm never gonna have thick hair, so I'm not even gonna stress about it. I'm just gonna do what I want to do to my hair regardless of how thick or how thin it is, okay? That's a bad way to think about it, but I was just like, you know, I'm over it, right? So I used the Organics in the purple bottle. That's a really good BIOTIN shampoo and conditioner to make your hair look and feel fuller. Another tip I can say is try to limit the amount of times you wash your hair, meaning you use shampoo, okay? I notice when I do a wash and go with shampoo, my hair is so much thinner. It seems like it just strips all the thickness out. I don't know how it does it, or I don't know why. You would think that the more your hair is weighed down with product and old, that it would look flatter, but mine is the total opposite. The longer my hair is old, is the bigger it looks. I just noticed that co-washing my hair, I get fuller and better results way quicker than when I do when I just shampoo my hair. Another tip is, if you have thin or fine hair, try to limit the amount of products you use. Now, I could say 1 to 2 products, 3 is the maximum, and try to not use gels, okay? Gels definitely weigh your hair down, and it takes a lot longer for your hair to look and feel fuller. We all know that day 1 and day 2 hair is kind of the boring stages. Your hair looks the thinnest of them all, you know what I'm saying? I suggest to not use gels, but only on your roots and your edges. If you use gels on the ends of your hair, you're gonna notice that it's gonna take a longer time to break that cast and a longer time for your hair to look voluminous, okay? I never knew how to say that word, but anyways, yes, voluminous, bigger is better, okay? Limited gels, limited amount of styling products that you use. I say 2 is the magic number when it comes to the styling products. Another tip I can say is do not use heavy oils. Jamaican black castor oil is heavy. If you want your hair to look voluminous, bigger, limit the heavy oils. Olive oil is kind of heavy. Jamaican black castor oil is kind of heavy. I suggest coconut oil. That's just something that I suggest. Maybe a little bit of avocado oil. Those are lighter oils that you can use to seal that moisture in. I did not use oil for this wash and go because I wanted to feature the Suave product, but yeah, I didn't use any oil, and my hair turned out pretty okay. It's full of volume. It still has some definition, especially on the ends. The ends are very curly, and that is what I like to see, okay? I like to see my hair big at the top, and on the ends it is very defined and still curly, but still has definition. It's not see-through, okay? Another tip I can say is to stretch your hair. Now, try not to overly stretch your hair, meaning you stretch your curls out and the curls loses its definition. Once your curls loses its definition, it's gonna have this little weird look to it, like it's straight but not straight but still not curly, you know what I'm saying? So lightly stretch over time. over your wash and go. My wash and goes last me a good week and a half. If I can push it to a week and a half, I will. When I stretch my hair out at nighttime, I like to part my hair in 2 sections and stretch the roots out and still leave the ends all curly and defined, and that definitely gives me a lot more volume, because day 1 hair and a little bit of day 2 hair, my hair is flatter, but by day 3, 4, and 5 are my favorite days because I have all the volume and I still have the definition to go with it. Another tip that you can use is to use a WOUT comb, use your fingers, or use a pick to pick out your roots. Picking out your roots will definitely give you that bigger, better look when it comes to your hair. It's going to separate your curls more, it's going to separate your roots more, it's going to give your hair a more voluminous look. So just pick your roots, try not to pick your ends of your hair where the curls are, because it's just going to create frizz. And I know I don't mind a little bit of frizz, but it's okay to do it a little bit if you want to, you know, try to manipulate it a little bit, but try not to overdo it, because if not, you're going to literally decrease the longevity of your wash and go, and it's going to look a hot mess way too fast, and ain't nobody got time for that, okay? Another tip I can use is to pick apart your curls on the ends of your hair. So as you can see how these curls are? Whenever I first did my wash and go, I did pick apart my curls slowly, like so, okay? And then 1 curl turned into 3 curls. So if you keep doing that, you know, a little bit all over your head, it's going to give you more of a voluminous look with your hair, and it's going to make your hair look like it's bigger, and when it's really not. So another tip I can say is to spritz a little bit of water whenever you wake up in the morning time. It's okay to get a little bit of moisture into your hair. It's gonna cause a little bit of frizz, which is kind of what you want, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit, nothing too extreme, just a little bit of frizz. It causes a little bit of moisture, whether you kind of get your hair to kind of hit the steam in the shower, or whether you wrap your hair up in the shower and when you get out, let the steam hit you a little bit. I said a little bit, nothing extreme where you having so much frizz going on, but it's going to give you moisture back into your hair, and it's going to swell your hair up a little bit, and it's going to give it more of that voluminous look as well. Another tip I can say is stretching your hair. So I haven't been getting into heat lately, but what I used to do is I used to stretch my hair in sections just to give it more length, and stretch my hair and then fluff it. Now you can either stretch your hair naturally while you are preserving your style at nighttime and use, you know, bows or pins or clamps to stretch your roots out, or you can use a blow dryer on warm with high heat and pull your curls and stretch the blow dryer along the shaft of your curls, give it some more length, and then after you do that, you can kind of fluff it out with your fingers, and then, you know, fluff your hair out and just give you some more volume. It's gonna look like your hair is thicker than what it really is. So I hope this information was helpful for you guys, because I know how it is. I know how it is to have fine, low density hair. It is like the biggest struggle, you know. You can't wear the styles that you really want to wear because your hair is not thick enough. It sucks, but you know, you have to work with what you have, and I'm learning to work with what I have and just embrace that I can get crazy definition, but maybe not super big hair, and I'm okay with that. I'm just getting to the point where I'm just like, whatever, I'm just gonna embrace what I got. Sorry it took so long. I've been natural almost 7 years, and I'm just now gaining confidence when it comes to my fine, low density hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was informative, and if you like this video, like this video. Like this video. If you like this video, like this video, girl. Maybe comment or something, show you guys some love or something like that. But yes guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.